Welcome back to our channel, and today we are back at Exclusive Marks. We have another G82 M4 Competition in for Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. And now we are removing the stock exhaust out of the M4 Competition before we replace with Akrapovic exhaust. Right over here, these are the parts that we are going to install on the M4 Competition. So as usual, we will install a catback system which consists a titanium link pipe and also this titanium slip-on line, alongside with this brand new design octagonal shape carbon fiber tailpipes for the M4 Competition. These tailpipes are specially designed for the new M3 and M4. So it has carbon fiber outer layer, while the inner layer is titanium. With this Akrapovic titanium exhaust installed, there's a total of 16.7 kilograms of weight reduction over the stock system. So here is the stock exhaust that we remove out from the M4 Competition. From here we can see that the stock exhaust of the M4 Competition has a very restrictive design. It has two secondary cats, and down to the center there's two resonators, and of course to the rear a very huge and restrictive rear muffler. So this is a 2022 G82 M4 Competition, finished in Sao Paulo yellow, and this will be the second one in this color with the Akrapovic exhaust in Malaysia. The owner has did some modifications on the exterior of the M4 Competition. So now this car has a full M Performance carbon kit. This carbon rear ducktail, the carbon rear diffuser. Or on the side, this M Performance carbon side skirt with the carnuts in carbon fiber, of course, and also a M Performance front lip, as well as this bumper insert in carbon fiber. Besides the full M Performance carbon kit, the owner also replaced the original emblem with this BMW's 50th anniversary emblem. Right under the hood of the M4 Competition is the S58 3-litre straight-six twin-turbo engine that capable of putting out 500 horsepower, 650 Nm of torque, all sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. With this Akrapovic exhaust installed, the M4 Competition will have some slight increase in terms of the performance gains. It will get around 34.4 horsepower and 39.3 Newton meters of torque increase by installing the Akrapovic exhaust alone. And also this Akrapovic exhaust will reduce the weight by 16.7 kilograms compared to the stock exhaust on the M4 Competition. We have completed another M4 Competition with Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. Let us know what you think about this M4 Competition with a full M Performance body kit, and also what you think about this brand new Akrapovic exhaust. How does it sound on the M4 Competition? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents in the future.